So the issue of this vehicle is central lock is not functioning, both from the door control and both with the key. The central lock is not functioning. So in this video I will show you how I did it, how I fixed the problem. So stay close. So guys, what I'm trying to do is I want to lose the EIS. I want to take it to another vehicle that I'm sure that its center lock is working. That means I want to test the EIS and the key in another vehicle, you understand, to confirm that the problem is not from EIS or the key. So this is what I'm trying to do. So guys, this is the another vehicle. I'm very sure that the central lock is working. Let me test it first. As you can see, it's working in this another vehicle. So I'll be putting the EIS, the one I got out from the other car, into this vehicle and check if the central lock will work in this vehicle. So if it works in this vehicle, that means the EIS and the key from the other vehicle that is not working is perfectly okay and good. But if it still doesn't work in this vehicle, that means it's either the key or the EIS is faulty. So let's go ahead and try it. Remember, this key and EIS is gotten from the other vehicle that is not responding to central lock. So let's go ahead and test it in this car that we know that it's functioning, and as you can see, it's responding. That means the fault is not from the EIS or the key. So what I did is to change the rear SAM of that vehicle, and everything started working perfectly and okay. So guys, that's how I fixed it. Please, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscription button, and please like and share. Thank you.